Konnichiwa. Hello. Good morning, China. Just got a 5.1 magnitude earthquake at a depth of 6.2 miles. An hour ago. It is 6:44 Central Standard Time. This happened northeast of your Bostang Lake. Bostang supervolcano. Next year, G30 1-2. It's caused by one of the asteroids listed. I cannot check the exact asteroid that caused that. The exact asteroid that caused that is definitely in my description box, so please check it. People keep trying to get me arrested, and I'm completely knowing where all the seismic activity is going. All of it. This is your neighbor Turfin. Last erupted 1120 AD. Or 1200. Roughly 1200 AD. Life is actually parallels and missing volcanoes. One's buried here, west of this highway marker. A ridge lake. They think it's an extinct volcano, but it's not. I have Turfin on alert as well, just to remind you. Because this is I'm following my trajectory path of an asteroid over the surface of your country, matching it with seismic activity. I have your neighbor, Russia's Azaz, on alert. Or, yeah. Then their neighbor, Oka Plateau, is also on alert. Now this is for 0.5 mags and up to 5.0 and 7.0. What's this, Russia, real quick? More volcanoes, Russia and China. Hold on. Alright, back to the high mags. Yeah, what do we got to your southwest, China? Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Yeah, 6 days ago. 5.1. 65 miles in depth. It's gonna do the same thing. Kunlun. Yep. Just make sure their alerts are still on. Genmen, make sure that's still on. Yeah. We got an alert for Genmen. Yeah. 14th. As calculated and forecasted. Yeah. Indonesia is included. Mirage is on alert. Mondua. Garove. Since 2021, Baluwidu Uni. I don't remember. Submarine, this also includes submarine volcanoes, by the way. Like, since 2021. Because, I just don't have enough characters in the title or the description. I'm trying to figure out if anyone's ever gotten that message, actually. Like, the warning actually included submarine volcanoes. Costa Rica's included. Baru's on alert. Mirage is on alert in San Jose. So is Teoria Alba. Teoria Alba. Benanatu's been on alert. We've had Trader's Head on alert since 2021. It last erupted in 1881. I don't consider volcanoes to ever go extinct based on the process of, unstable physics in the solar system. Unbalanced. Blit is on alert. Yep. Unspecified. 760 is a cycle on that. Or 10,000, sorry. 10,000 and 760. I mean, obviously, that's an old submarine chain. Blit. To me, anyway. Could have bid. See, another 10,000. Cycle. I have the right to go slightly west. To move Suan. 1886, 1887. Valina City. Here's our 5. End times. Ain't falling for that. Toku's on alert. Since 2021, that's another 10,000. Keep this video under 20 minutes. At least. Well, I'm gonna retitle this video anyway. I'm only working on so many characters on my titles. Shikara Betsy's on alert in Japan. Sapporo. I calculated a 7.0 for Sapporo. This will eventually break off. Yeah. 36. Not anytime soon, but because this Naparo is a super old. There you go. These islands are on alert. So, Catafungo, we've had that on alert since 2021. Same with Mago. Fiji's on alert. Fed Tofu on alert since 2021. Late volcanic ash advisory. Latest update, February 14th, 2026. We didn't get notified. The last eruption was 1854. I put it on alert in 2021. That's 5 years later. Got the actual ash advisory. There's our 5 for Nevada. 2 days ago. Mono Lake, Northeast, Soda Lakes. We put on alert in 2021. Butte, yeah, we put Butte, Montana on alert 2021. That's a volcano. Yep. The Berkeley volcano. Yep. What's this one again? The Baldy volcano. How about that? Yeah, there's a, yeah, 5/8 2 days ago. 1785. We put this on alert 2021. Kushanateo volcano. Gushan Island. Oh, Argentina, yeah. Argentina will break off at some point. It might not. Might just be separated by water strategically at some point in time. Possibly. Yeah. What's this? Is this a little creek? Nope, it's a road. What's this? Bushes. Ah, bushes. Nothing to disturb. They probably need water, so just make sure to drone it there. Oh, Dason Volcano is on alert. Abu. We have Fuku on alert. Whale Island. Yep. We have Pleistocene volcano. On alert. That's an explosive one. Yes. Yeah, we got another update. 4/7 last month. I think I'm going to end the video there, actually. Wait. 442 BC. India. Popa is on alert. Lower Chindwin is on alert. After those two most recent threes. We'll end the video there at those threes. I think that's acceptable. Drop by back to the 6. Yeah, Sapporo. I have Sapporo on alert for 7. Up till 2035. I have 7s and 5s calculated for Sapporo, Japan. From now till 2035. Do a count real quick. 2 5s, 44s, 157 3s, 327 2s, total of 526. They don't count the 1s or the 0.5s anymore. Yep, another 10,000 cycle on alert, Clear Lake. Alright, see you guys on the next update. Smash that like button. Have a good day. Don't forget to share with friends and family and everyone that lives, don't forget to share it, like, on Google Maps, like my description of this video, to, like, the police department and the fire department. So just spam it across, like, the world in your free time. So everything's alright. Maybe everything will be alright. Right? With not incriminating me. People just don't have the right to incriminate me for this channel or me or my channel and my property. So I'm gonna tell that to China and the United States. Trader's head. How many lion trader's head lion eyeballs in this country? Find a lazy windshield, right? Didn't bother trying to take a picture of me and call me anything else but my name. This includes a C word. Didn't bother trying to make it seem like I'm a criminal. I knew the exact time to psychologically forfeit a vessel with 4 wheels. And the exact time to drink something in your pathetic little meat box everywhere. Yeah. Meals on Wheels deals. All gone psychologically wrong for you. In the most selfish way imaginable. White Island is on alert. Last update was March 24th. Small eruption, right? Small, explosive, effusive eruption, right? Mexico. Isla San Luis has been on alert since 2021. Salton Buttes. I haven't heard back from too many people in the comment box section. But I'm hoping to eventually at some point. Yes. Well, there's my 1.8 high magnitude earthquake for Iceland 2 hours ago. And I'm not streaming and I don't have my fast charger anymore. Because people stole my fast charger and vandalized my Maxima. Completely knowing I had a court date coming up. So, whatever selfish people and criminals are, I'd most definitely not partake in any engagement of any of that activity, to be honest with you. Alright, I gotta end this video. This is expensive. I'm gonna charge my phone up.